We're going under something. On US 93 north for a half mile.
It's called a tunnel, Mom. This guy's peeing out here. Gotta go, gotta go.
Turn right onto Nevada 172. Turn right to stay on Nevada
Bridge walkway.
This is weird. A little confused. And then turn right again. Turn right to stay on Nevada 172.
Oh, we're heading to the Hoover Dam Bridge walkway.
20 miles? How many miles?
2.5 miles. It's been sketchy since we left.
Security check station 1 mile.
Aww.
I gotta search vehicle.
Oh, you're ready to blow on that cliff.
I know.
There's gonna be a mudslide here and you're screwed.
It's a lot of walking though. Look at that number.
Police.
No,
Oh, it's tourists.
Oh, is it? Oh. I thought it was just a redneck. Oh, America. I want that job, be a Hoover Dam police. They don't do nothing. Hoping I couldn't even see it out
right
there.
there? That's the new road. Gotcha.
Up there?
Where are we
And the new road is cooler than Hoover Dam.
I know. That's the new road where cars can drive on, I think. And we didn't come on that one.
Man.
Look at this. Look at the that's the,
Actually, that's the Memorial Bridge. That's what it is. That's the one we walked. We came on.
that's not the Hoover Dam.
That's it.
Look at this bridge how they made it though.
I'm just saying, I know.
That looks cool.
That bridge is, yeah, that bridge is awesome.
That makes me scared to go back on it.
No.
It didn't look like that when we were
Oh,
up
that's
there.
insane. Straight fall.
Why do you think of that? Why did you put that thought in my head?
I know. It didn't look that bad when you're on it.
There's the Hoover Dam.
Why they got the walls up there? Freak out.
Parking is $10. You guys got $10?
Oh, yeah, I do. Mom, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
She said it.
Food and gifts.
North Pole of the Milky Way.
How do they figure?
He's explaining it to you.
No, that's still don't add up.
Marked on the yellow band are significant historical periods, starting with the completion of the Eastern Pyramid in 2007 BC.
Oh, like this whole Africa country, where the stars are.
Look at the stars. Oh, look at that.
Danger, keep off the wall.
Look how far that is. Is this what your dad's gonna drop off?
Yeah, right.
He slid down there like a slide.
You slid down there on slings. Please say that. Oh my god. I don't remember ever seeing it, or I just out the one ear, out the other.
Well, me too, pretty much. But
Answer me! Yeah, it doesn't stick if he says it.
oh, you're gonna go see the Hoover Dam? I slid down there. That's probably not gonna be.
Oh yeah.
You got hurt. That's why we don't allow to. That's why they don't allow you to do it anymore.
I can't, like he's gonna slay me.
Right.
Good.
Like those are stairs that.
This is a straight down.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, you're gonna want. Look how big they are. They look big from up here. Imagine how big they are.
You see where the
Oh,
see
look
where
how
the
green underneath the rock cannon.
you see where the mountains are? The change of color. How
Oh yeah.
high it actually does go.
You see where it's gotten? The water has gotten. I can't believe
Or I feel like I want to drop my phone.
design. It was intended for a guidepost for future visitors from another world.
Yeah, he based this.
Right.
He based the.
This thing right here.
No, he based how to make the wall on how ancient aliens have given ideas of how to build things. He built it based on that.
Yeah.
Many ancient buildings, including messages from their builders to people of the future.
This is. You should take a picture of that, Zach. That's cool.
Well, I mean, it's hard to
That's
do.
what this is right here.
That's hard to do when you're standing right here.
There's that
I know.